everyone, it's me Kiana and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then welcome. And thank you for clicking this video and I hope you really enjoy. And if you are coming back, then welcome back. I missed you. So today we're going to be making a lavender scented lip gloss and it's going to have so much glitter. So if you really love glitter and you really like your lips to be shining and popping, then make sure you keep watching this video so you can learn how to make glitter lip gloss. So remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and keep playing. So the first thing you're going to be doing is putting on your gloves. Always make sure that you put on your gloves before you make your lip gloss. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your TKB Trading or Versagel base. This is your gloss base that you'll be using for your lip gloss. Next thing you're going to be doing is taking your TKB Oil Fusion. This Oil Fusion is so that your lip gloss is not sticky at all. Many people don't like lip gloss because it's sticky, but this here, right here, makes sure that your lip gloss is not sticky at all. So the next thing we're going to take is we're going to take our castor oil. Castor oil has many benefits to health. So we're going to take that and we're going to put some into the base. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our spatula and we're going to mix it all around so that all the oils can combine to make one perfect base. We're going to take our Sparkle Rose Mica. You get this from TKB Trading. It's not very expensive. Only costs this small pouch to cost about $1 or $65. I'm not sure. I'll put the description below. Next, we're going to take our Luminosity glitter that you can also get from TKB Trading, and you're going to put a lot in because you really want it to be glittery. Now you're just gonna mix these two. You're gonna mix all of the base and the glitters together. Now this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna give it that purpley color, which gives it a lot of shine and also has shimmer in it because of the Sparkle Rose. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our lavender scented oil. You can get these off of Amazon, or you can get them at a store that has essential oils. And you're just gonna put about 6 to 7 drops. Lavender oil is very strong, so please be mindful of how much you are putting in. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your syringe and you're going to put all the base into the syringe. now we're going to take one of our tubes and fill up the tubes with the lip gloss. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your stopper and you're gonna put your stoppers, you're gonna put these little things on your lip gloss to make sure it doesn't spill. So now you have lavender scented lip glosses that moisturizes your lips and is very long lasting. Thank you for watching as I make these wonderful lavender lip glosses. Remember to subscribe and shop at Gloss World. Bye!